Hey everyone, I'm James Flynn, a voice actor from Ireland, and I've played Badang and Min Sithar in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Kazuki Official has just made an awesome new video highlighting all of the other voice actors from Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Go and check it out now. You won't be disappointed.
May the blood of my enemies flow from my spear. Take another step, and you'll regret it. Death is the least of my worries. None can penetrate my golden shield.
No one can escape my iron fists. Shattering is the easiest thing. I'm the perfect fusion of speed and strength. Enjoy being shattered apart. I'm an artist of combat.
Baby, give me all your love and sandy kisses on the shore. Everything you do is trouble. I'ma give you.
Stand firm and hold your ground. People of Northern Vale may be defeated, but never conquered. Spirits of Northern Vale, guide me. We never claim to be undefeated, but unbreakable. Fallen warriors, let me guide you home. A scar is the testament of a warrior's honor. Northern Vale, I'm coming home.
Is this a game? If it is, I think we're losing. I can't look.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! You have slain an enemy! Double kill! Triple kill! Maniac! Savage!
There are two kinds of people in the world. There are hundreds of monsters living in my umbrella. A thought to miss you, another to hate. The umbrella is yang, the human is yin.
"3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe. The worst thing in the world? Having no one to fight. The worst thing in the world. Having no one to fight. Ha! Tear them to shreds! Ha! Tear them to shreds! With invincibility comes solitude. With invincibility comes solitude. Feel my wrath! Feel my wrath! I'll show you what fighting really is! I'll show you what fighting really is. Who here is worthy? These blades are my teeth. And I'm all bite and no bark. One defeat means nothing.
Have a taste of my most sinister magic. Revenge against the Empire. Experience the horror of death. To become my slave is your greatest glory. I possess the most powerful magic. Taking your life is too easy. Taking your life is too easy. Never beg for your life. Never beg for your life. Your life is no longer yours. No. Death is not my end.
Witness the power of pure lightning. I am the power of light incarnate. Demon, there's nowhere for you to run.
I will only rest when there is peace. My mission is to protect lives. You cannot beat me. The labyrinth shall never fall. Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fists. I always fulfill my contracts. Night has fallen. Let the killing begin. What does my poison taste like?
Stay cool when things get hot. Speed, strength, and a clear mind. Justice shines brighter in the dark. We will leave no one behind.
Let me take you to another world. Nah. Your strategies are pitiful. I will do anything for the Abyss. Anything! Should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Took a train downtown just to see.
The real warrior is here! My weapon is your shield. What else can you do? Show me your strength!
Give life to magic, not magic to life. Would you like to have a drink with me? Let's see who has the last laugh. Another word for compromise is failure. My magic is out of control.
Only the brave have the courage to confront the intruders. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I can't get more excited to get going now. Above the horizon rises the beautiful sun.
We play mind games, I'm in her mind frame. I always show up late, she like my time frame. I knew her from way back, a different time space.
Stop! I want to take 5. My darts spare no one! Nobody seems to know how nice I am. Ling, it's so hard to see your smile. Wouldn't it be fun to see Ling in a cute skirt? Oh, please! Stop spreading rumors! Seeing is believing! I'm so curious about the world!
Only light can drive out the darkness. The Lord of Light stands with us. For the people, I shall never back down.
Thank me, my lowly opponent. You can't catch me. Wow, the outside world is quite intriguing. Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
A star will disappear if you lose. Take a guess. Is there anyone in that bush?
I have a clumsy new apprentice called Einstein.
Dude, wrong item choice.
My arrow is my answer. You can't run from my arrow. Where do you think you're going? Never back down or prepare for destruction. Watch your back. One strike, one skill. Speed, precision, and strength. Keep up the rhythm. To be or not to be. Ice doesn't feel. Rage on, hurricane. Stronger than yesterday. Want some ice?
Onward! We win or we die. Feel the heartbeat of the desert. The truths must be preserved. Silence gives consent. Sand rises when I give the word.
The southern seas are my domain. The ocean waves are so soothing. Is there a more beautiful queen than me?
Popple and Koopa are the best partners in the world! Don't go away! Our game isn't over! Koopa is Popple's best friend and only friend.
These people are so boring!
Come and join me in my dream world. I think I've met you in one of my dreams. Why does the violence never end?
The enemy is banning. Your team is banning. Please pick a hero. Please ban a hero. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
Addiction, who ain't got addiction? All y'all got addiction. I got some addiction. You got some
Time to upgrade the system. Why must people hurt each other? Sometimes I think about girls.
Stop making those foolish requests! The hellfire will burn you into ashes! What's your name, boy?
I'm a man with sad stories. One man, one sword, same goal. True warriors act rather than acted upon. Watch your head. The heart of a warrior never forgets.
Stop pissing me off, or I'll destroy you. Mystic magic is so wonderful. I'm not a monster. I'm a demon.
Sit tight, hunger. Here we go. No one can hurt my hunger. Well, it's my job to protect hunger. I'll be all bad guys. Don't taunt me. I don't want to hurt you. Cherish every living being. Cherish every life. My name is Belleric. Fidelity, humility, heroic, sacrifice. This sword is called the Oathkeeper. Despair is punishment for the undead. Despair is darker than death. Only the strong deserve to rule. The abyss is my domain.
The perfect combination of might and magic. To the hidden blade, all life is equal. My blade moves with the shadows. Take a guess at how many swords I have.
10 years of imprisonment. Light to darkness is just a moment away. My head hurts.